Young from Restoration Design. I'm the owner and president of Restoration Design, and we produce quality Porsche parts. We bought the business, and yes, it's feeding my hobby, but primarily the purpose of the business is to create jobs and to produce quality parts for many people that the parts are needed for. We saw that there was a big need for quality Porsche parts that fit on the cars.
When we're trying to figure out what part to make next, we think about what the customers need, if there's a void in the market, or if there's a part that we can improve on.
There's been plenty of product available out there that the quality was not sufficient. Over the last couple of years, we've improved on those parts that are available, and we just made the quality 10 times better.
My typical day consists of coming in, taking care of some emails, then heading out to the back, starting up the mills, starting to cut some dies.
There are a number of parts available from overseas suppliers, and those parts were produced according to superseded parts. And those superseded parts from Porsche are not correct for all years. So we decided to produce the correct parts, and that way the value of these cars will be greater for the owner who does a restoration. Yeah, we're a whole Porsche family. The boys all have Porsches, or they can drive Porsches. There's ample vehicles here always, and my wife drives a Porsche.
I'm very fortunate to come to work every day and enjoy my job. We're trying to bring parts to the market that were never available, so that cars, you know, that may have been discarded 20 years ago because they were so rusty, that they're now being able to be restored.
I think that we have provide a good service, and that's why we have returning customers.
We ship worldwide as far as Australia,
New Zealand, Singapore,
Asia, South America,
Africa.
We've shipped all over the world.
I feel it makes us feel helpful, and I'm sure the people that receive the parts on the other side of the world are very grateful.
It's a passion to work on cars and to be able to provide parts to other passionate people.